The biggest pandemic of the 21st century was followed by the biggest war in Europe in the last 70 years. So even the most amateur economists can predict that we might be pretty far from a financial recovery. Therefore, in this episode, we suggest you to take a look at the most compact campervans and camping systems that offer a reasonably affordable solution to our RV needs. As always, a reminder to subscribe to Must See Tech and ring the bell. Let's roll! Dethleffs Nissan Primastar Seaside Campervan. Converted by the German Dethleffs, the European market Nissan Primastar becomes a comfortable campervan that can transport 6 people, but at night can accommodate 4. On the inside, the van houses 6 individual seats. The front can swivel back to use the adjustable dining table, while the 4 rear seats slide back and forth using floor-mounted rails. They can also be removed altogether. The main bed unfolds from the rear, and the additional bed can be located in the pop-up roof. At 200 inches long, the Seaside RV also fits a side awning for enjoying a shade outside and has an interior kitchen. The latter is positioned alongside the wall, and it consists of a fridge, lots of drawers, a sink, and a 2-burner stove. By the way, just as the regular Primastar, the camper is powered by 2-liter diesel, making 150 or 170 HP. Swift Manza. Swift Group is one of the largest UK camper specialists that builds motorhomes, caravans, and even mobile vacation homes. In 2022, they're expanding their van lineup with this new Ford Tourneo Custom-based model. It offers 4 attractive exterior colors, rides on 17-inch alloys, and gets Ford's latest tech, including LED DRLs, quad-beam headlamps, cruise control, and an 8-inch infotainment. The living quarters consist of a side kitchen with a 42-liter drawer fridge and a dual hub rock and roll rear bench that folds down and transforms into a double bed. Plus, there is a drop-down bed and the pop-up roof. The van is also equipped with a portable Dometic toilet and an external shower. To make sure that all of these are functional even away from a campground, the Manza comes equipped with a 95 amp-hour battery, a 100-watt solar panel, and 2 water tanks, 40 liters each. Camping kits by RiverLeaf. Supply chain shortages will make sure that your next RV order will take half a year to be fulfilled. Luckily, in 2022, American campers are getting one more quick-fix solution in the form of an instant camping box. The RiverLeaf Kit is available in 2 modifications, Grand Teton and Arches, both suitable for a wide range of minivans and compact vans available in the US. These boxes are made of weather-resistant poplar or birch plywood. The sleeping arrangement is represented by a foldable bed with a 3-inch polyurethane foam mattress with 48 or 52 inches width and a removable cover. No actual vehicle modification is required, but with a RiverLeaf Kit, your van would still get a micro kitchen with 2 or 4 removable drawers, a 12-volt pump, a 4-gallon water tank, and a portable gas stove. Smash the like button if you haven't already. We need your support like never before. Let's keep rolling. Caravan outfitter Freebird. The 3rd generation of the Freebird by the American Caravan outfitter arrives for 2022 as one of the best campervan options on the market in terms of capabilities to the asking price ratio. Unlike the previous model based on the now discontinued NV200 cargo van, the newcomer builds on the Ford Transit Connect and gets a new floor plan, offering seating for 4 grown-ups. The rear passengers will travel with due comfort thanks to the new captain chairs, which can be folded down to set up a full-sized bed. Extra sleeping space can be deployed by ordering the optional iCamper SkyCamp mini rooftop tent. Standard goodies for the Freebird include a newly redesigned kitchen box with a sink and a gas stove, dimmable LED interior lighting, a roof fan, and various power outlets. Mitsubishi Minicab MIEV B Leisure Style. Even though not suitable for long off-grid stays, the B Leisure Style key car can easily take you for a day outing to a local camping ground. This Mitsubishi concept is based on the commercial-style Minicab MIEV, powered by a 16 kWh battery with 94 miles of driving. The van is painted in moss green with an ivory roof, plus it comes equipped with a formidable roof rack for your gear. Inside, the model gets fitted with a cot for one, a table and a chair, plus a rug to make the layout more comfortable. Finally, this camper includes a Mitsubishi power box for running appliances and charging equipment. There is a car awning and a camping table. Simple Campervans. This is the UK's version of the cheapest camping solution currently on sale, and it was designed specifically to fit European minivans. The Simple Campervan module is CNC machined with precision from high-quality 12mm birch plywood and redwood timber, plus it supports a Fiamma pop-up table system. Starting from $600, the system weighs just 66 pounds and provides a full-width two-person sleeping space with the optional cushion set and thermal window blinds. Depending on the van model, there are 3 module sizes to choose from: small, standard, and XL. The Simple Campervan box is delivered fully assembled and would not take more than 5 minutes to install. The company guarantees fast 7 business day delivery to all UK and European locations. Mercedes-Benz Citan Micro Camper. The new generation Citan was launched to the market in late 2021, but thanks to the efforts of the Swiss Sortimo and the German Vanessa Mobile Camping, this minivan can already be converted into a camper. Each of the companies offered 2 kits for the model. The first one is a transformer bed, a queen or a double. In both cases, the kitchen module serves as a structural support element for the bed and is located in the van's tailgate. Both fit a sink, a fridge, and a stovetop, but have different layouts, with the Vanessa opting for multiple closed-off drawers and Sortimo choosing a simple slide-out construction. Additionally, the Citan can be optioned with a rooftop tent that will fit 2 more people. White House Camper Campo. Smaller than a current Mazda Miata, this Japanese Honda van somehow manages to function as a complete camping solution for 4 people. Equipped either with a pop-up tent or with a solar roof for extra power on the road, the Campo offers 3 cabin layouts. All measure 134 inches long and feature a modular bed that accommodates 1 taller person and 1 shorter person. There is also a swiveling driver's seat and a folding passenger seat. Depending on the chosen layout, the van either has no kitchen or gets a side or a rear unit. The latter 2 feature a sink with a water tank, a fridge, and a microwave. Finally, you can option the Campo with a side awning that adds an entire room outside. Would you agree that these compact camping solutions are enough to satisfy the RV needs of a frugal camper? Mention your top picks from the lineup, and let's meet in the comment section for a deep discussion. Subscribe to Must See Tech, ring the bell, smash the like button, and proceed to watching more reviews of recreational vehicles by following the links on the screen. See you soon, and glory to Ukraine!